Does your person have black hair?
No, they do not. Does your person have a hat?
No, they do not.
Are you getting bored of board games?
Does your person have a hat? Does your person have glasses?
No, they do not. Does
Are you tired of trying to find the pieces just to play a simple game? What is this? The 80s?
Hey, you guys want to play a game?
Is it hard to find friends to play with? Introducing Connect 4 in Matlab. Coded by our crack team of engineers, Connect 4 in Matlab has the critics raving. So, why should you use the computer version of Matlab instead of one in a traditional board game? Well, first we're going to do a demo, run through the game, and then we're going to go over some of the features more specifically. So here we've got our Matlab file with stpconnect4.m. This is our main file. We've got our variables on the right, and we're just going to hit run to start. So it prompts you to enter a column number 1 to 7. So I'm going to hit 1. So it should have popped up a window. Here it is. So what happened is, I'm going to expand this. I chose 1, and it put my red icon here. The player is red, and the computer, the bot, is black. So after I hit 1, the AI chooses this point randomly. So it picked 7. So it went there. So right now I'm going to try and go for a horizontal victory because the AI is not super intelligent. So I'm going to hit 2. And the AI also picked 7 again. So that's kind of worrying. He might actually win this. So I'm going to pick 3. Oh, he countered me. That's surprising. Alright, I'm going to shift and do a vertical victory. I'm going to hit 3 again. Okay. Put it there. Oh, actually, I should stop that so he doesn't get. So I'm going to put 5 to block him. And he picked 1. So I'm going to go 3 again. Oh, he blocked me. Wow. Usually doesn't get as lucky. I'm going to pick 2. See if I can go horizontal here. Alright, oh, he's stacking. Let's block him with 7. Okay. Let me get 4. Okay, and I think I can win here if I just go 5. Alright, now it's printed out every time I placed, and the AI placed, and it said that I won. So now we're going to go over the individual little features that we have here. So when you run and you place a block, if you don't want to keep playing, if you want to quit, you just press 0, so you can quit right there. And then some of the features of the code itself are that this game board is represented in the code by an array, and so just like on the actual board, it fills in whether it's a player or the AI having the block there whenever you press the place. Now, before we go further into the code, we'll test something else. So basically, if you type in a number that isn't 1 to 7, it will give you an error code. So it's smart. It says stop breaking the game because you're breaking the game, and it gives you a chance to put in another code. So you put in 7, and it doesn't. So it prints you an error saying you can't do that, but it also lets you keep playing, which is nice. So we're gonna quit. Other than that, the command window is pretty clean when you're playing. There's no excess variables being printed, so you only see what it's asking you to do and what you're putting in. And I think that about sums it up for the game. Reasons to pick this over a traditional board game is it's faster. You don't have to deal with pieces. You don't have to have any friends. You don't have to be bored because you can put some music on or a little podcast in the background, whatever you want to do. And that's Connect 4.
Alright, hello. My name is Trace Eberhardt.
And I'm Andrew Sanchez.
My name is Maxim Meleshchuk.
And I'm Rosa.
Our team created a computer version of Connect 4. Connect 4 is a board game based off of players' alternating turns. Each turn, a player drops a game chip into the board. The game is won by Whoever gets 4 in a row first, either vertically, diagonally, or horizontally.
This artificial intelligence, or AI, will try to win by randomly picking columns to put its chips down. Because it only uses randomly generated numbers, it's not very smart. The player only has to use a minor amount of strategy in order to beat the AI.
To win the game, the player must satisfy the win conditions. The win conditions test to see if the player, or the computer, has 4 chips in a row. The game tests horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. If the player meets these conditions, then the player wins. If the computer meets these conditions, then the computer wins.
Each turn is represented on screen with a 2D array graphic that displays the game board. The player's moves are represented with red chips, and the AI's moves are represented with black chips. After each turn, the array graphic is updated with both the player's move and the AI's move from that turn.